Good morning. My name is Paolo Tizzani. I'm a senior veterinary epidemiologist at WOAH. And today I want to present you the WOAH epidemic intelligence activity and how this information can be used for decision making. In terms of figures and related to the epidemic intelligence activity at WOAH, we collect information on disease events from 183 members on 121 listed diseases and 3 different emerging diseases. So we collect information from official sources from our members that are providing information, but we complement in the framework of the epidemic intelligence activity this information with other news coming from web scraping activity from more than 300 reference centers and laboratories, and also information coming from our network of partners and experts. First of all, I think it's important to explain what epidemic intelligence means, and in a nutshell is the systematic collection, analysis and interpretation of information from different sources on disease events. So information coming from these different sources actually are interact together. So the information from unofficial sources can be used to complement information coming from official sources, and from that we publish official alerts. We provide information that can be used for risk assessment, for forecasting, for public risk communication, and in general this information can be used to improve preparedness and response of our members, but also of different stakeholders. So what can WOAH and WOAH data do for the LD4D community? Actually, all the information we collect through epidemic intelligence activity can be used for several decision-making processes. Just want to highlight here out of this long list some that can be relevant, information that can be used for early warning and response to disease events, information that can support risk assessment, and finally information that can support the identification of threats and needs for regional and global coordination. On the other hand, what can LD4D do for WOAH? Well, again, I'm leaving here a list of potential support from the LD4D community to WOAH epidemic intelligence activity. Facilitate sharing and integration of contextual information with our disease information, improve the connection with networks and experts, share relevant sources that we can use for our epidemic intelligence activity, sharing expertise, and finally promote the use of WOAH information. So I would like to thank you for your attention, and I'm very happy to discuss further on WOAH epidemic intelligence activity and decision making, and leave here on this last slide my contact details.